How to change Temu Checkout Minimum. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. To change your Temu Checkout Minimum, follow these steps. First, launch your Temu application and go to the home page. Now, scroll to the bottom to find various options and select the U option. Now, go to the U page and look at the top right corner for two icons and click on the support icon, which looks like a headphone. You will be directed to the support page, which contains several topics. If you have relevant issue, click on the corresponding topic for more information. Now, to change your Temu Checkout Minimum, choose the Contact Us button. Now in the message box, type "Please change my Temu Minimum Checkout" and send your message. Temu customer service will respond to your inquiry, allowing you to discuss the minimum checkout requirement and request a change or removal. Once your request is processed, you can enjoy shopping without any minimum checkout restrictions. So that's it. This is how you can change Temu Checkout Minimum. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.